Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue cookies with hand mixer, easy method. Begin by separating eggs and letting whites reach room temperature before whipping. Add a pinch of salt and start whipping on low, then gradually increase speed. When soft peaks form, slowly add sugar while continuing to beat until glossy stiff peaks appear. Pipe or spoon onto trays and bake low and slow until crisp. Warm up your hand mixer and be patient as the eggs transform from froth to glossy peaks. This takes a few minutes. Keep the mixer moving and scrape the bowl sides occasionally to incorporate everything evenly. Once soft peaks form, add sugar in small increments while continuing to beat, then switch to high until stiff glossy peaks appear. Overbeating will make the mix dry, so stop as soon as peaks hold. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks and dessert inspiration while your meringues bake. It's lightweight and easy to hold between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bake your piped or spoon meringues at a low temperature so they dry without browning, and cool them slowly to avoid cracks. Use parchment or silicone mats to prevent sticking and rotate trays if needed for even drying. Once fully cool, transfer to an airtight container to preserve crispness and texture for several days. If humidity is high, finish drying a little longer in the oven to maintain crunch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.